Hello, today we will guide you through how to add a back to top button to Framer. In this walkthrough, we'll quickly set up a simple button that helps visitors return to the top of a long page. This is especially useful on content-heavy layouts where you want to improve navigation and reduce scrolling fatigue. We'll use an existing Framer project as our starting point and keep the process clean and straightforward. Begin by opening your Framer project, for example, the Nestel website template copy. Once your canvas loads, make sure you're looking at the page or frame where you want the back to top button to live. It helps to zoom out slightly so you can see the overall layout and find a good spot for the button. Next, open the Insert menu. You'll find Insert in the top toolbar inside Framer. This panel is your library of ready-made components and building blocks. Inside the Insert panel, locate the Utility category. Utility contains practical components you can reuse across your project, including common elements like buttons. Opening Utility narrows the list so you can quickly find what you need. Now drag and drop a button from Utility onto your canvas. Place it where it will be easy to spot without covering important content. Many designs position this near the lower right corner, where users expect quick actions. As you drop it, look for alignment guides and spacing so it sits consistently with your layout. If your page is scrollable, consider placing it within the page frame you want it to affect so its behavior matches that section. Double-click the button to edit it. This activates the text field and lets you customize the label. Keep your cursor focused on the button so the change applies to the right element. Rename the button to something clear, like Back to Top or Home. Short, direct labels are best for accessibility and quick recognition. If your button component supports icons, a simple upward arrow can reinforce the action, but the text alone should be understandable. Finally, click play or preview to test. Scroll your page, locate the button, and confirm it's visible and readable against your background. Interact with it to check that it behaves as expected in your design. If it feels hard to notice, adjust its size or contrast back in the canvas and preview again. Also make sure your page is tall enough to demonstrate the benefit of the button. That's it. You've added a back to top button in Framer using built-in components, set a clear label, and verified the result in preview. Thanks for following along, and happy building.